Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to safeguard TikTok content without violating terms. Just tap on my TikTok account and make sure you will actually logged in, and how to safeguard and see the community guidelines from here. I will just move on my profile icon, which is top right corner bottom. I will just tap on it, and from here get inside, just tap the top right corner of three lines and just tap to settings and privacy. And after you will scroll down in the last, you will see the support button. So just tap on it. After next, just tap to safety center, and when you get inside, and here you will see the major community guidelines to protect your account. So I will just read these community guidelines, get inside, and I will just tap to this youth safety and well-being. So I think you will just tap on this, and from here you will just read it carefully, and restricted 18 years and older. So if you have 18 years old, so you will just use this application TikTok, and see, you will just avoid these dangerous activities and challenges and nudity and body exposure. So, and avoid the sexually suggestive content and shocking and graphic content and gambling and alcohol, tobacco and drugs. And if in this content you will just post it, and the TikTok will ban your video and also ban your account of being this content. So please don't make of this type of content, and understand TikTok community guidelines. Please familiar yourself with rules and regularly review TikTok's community guidelines, which outline appropriate and behaviors such as sharing violent content, promoting self-harm, or engaging in illegal activities. So please violating these rules and can lead to bans or account suspension. To safeguard your TikTok content without violating the platform's terms, it is essential and to understand and adhere to TikTok's community guidelines while implementing best practice for content management. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.